Aita Emambi Engia Andonsia Soro Manchomo Ligerio KCTV karibu sana sensemo ya kabere na ileo mwetu kwa sababu kwa vera nesegincho timetinga lero ningobo kanoko goro be but we had started so well. Kidogo Linda chakaingia tukasema wacha tu switch zibora kuingia maneno imechemka. Niliingia Shadia kaingia Ndomia kaingia Linda kaingia Zipia kaingia maneno imechemka this morning, but we are so good, we are so okay. Of course it's a Monday morning. Karibu sana tumetoka Nyarugo Sanga Suwamo. Today in studio I'm having some two beautiful amazing women as a studio. Tutakunyaro kwandira mangana yogoraya sensemo ya baswati no kunyaro sira na kemagendero. Karibu sana tumetoka Nyarugo Sanga Suwamo. Joan Kwamboka na lede taliane. Director cyane Shaka Kangwenya muna Dominic Kora sensemo ya studio. Karibu tumetoka Nyarugo Sanga Suwamo. Ne bibiro byamnya kirikigima ndochiko tema stoko nyara. Good morning, madam.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Happy New Year. Happy Valentine's.
Happy birthday.
Wakire. I want to make you Merry Christmas. Wow, what am I talking mkiglow? Why am I growing old as you grow younger?
God's grace.
Wow, that is amazing. Mokwane mugusi motebu na mokoro kwa simwarwa abantu mwate osembu yabale tutaranyara guchaka usanga so. Let us start from the youngest. Yeah. Now the youngest.
Oh.
Yes.
Binto mwanya getinga bwakire buyasi mwabeta. Incheri etariane enkuru kwa Spora Kimunto Matoke. Igondo mwana w'umugaka Wilson Matoko oyo bere gakurara no mungina Wilkista Kirubo Matoke igaro yo muracho no yo CK no yo Kenge Uchiabu na abanda abange igondo omukyamburi mama igare omusigisa igonje no mwiwa w'abasigisa naende tata kae buchombe kurwa ubitutu chache sauti alibu gusero umugako kurukuburuku no nkuruga boye nchebono no mungina wo mwalimu uritagiru kurukuburuku naende gaiga mwanya gitinge iona chirega nkuri present mwanya gitinge Heritage Council inche no murayi bw'abanyina ba mwanya gitinge Heritage Council asito kwigirira ekebusiriye ito.
All right, karibu sana studio mambia lero. Now take the chair. Let us follow the lead, the right one.
Zipora, introduction.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning. Asa Marieta Korokwa Linet, Bosibori Morure. Korwa Nyaribari. And the founder ya Gusi Women in Leadership. And also the director J-Trulin Communication and Marketing Limited. Yeah.
Karibu sana studio. Yeah, na nchengoro ko Joan Kwamboka oyo bwatuti. Ati noyo musigisi. Musigisi noyo makini. Makini noyo bo togendere kwanza. Mato venio. Eba mbiarira now likulyalero twateba ngatika tochi tokwandirana nimono igoro yoborai wabasubati no kunyara gusirana. Economic empowerment yabasubati whatever no
Ogusira obonchoreria.
All right, tokachakana ogusira obonchoreria ninke minute yanene mono guchasumugusi.
Igonda atebeiga ogusira noko okokonyana yani ogotebereria abantu noroche buna kibirengererio egento ngero okonyora bono buna abasubati abakebono iga otamoteberereti ogusira no goteberera noche buna natena tokwegerere kegusi togotebereria abantu beitu buna ebintu byarenge koba na abasubati bono ogusirana nkuri bono buna Linet iga nyore egento agokora ngo motebererie nera ntebereri tusirane maybe motebi asara agenda anyore besa gusibuna arasime kicingeni egeticha kiaye na kicingeni echi naenda omuntu kwa muri na yo araende gochioni gochia ogusirana na kuku ogusira omuntu kwa motebereria ya bono nabo togusira naigo abasubati gaiga kebongo nabo gusira omonto okoro kwarorire ngo oyo niga renge kogenda inseme ipiase ekebirengererio kwamoigura obongo iko nakugusira omonto like empowering intebe kisunguna empowering somebody no gusira
neka tukunara kwandire gyo gusira omonto kemagendo usikibirengererio ensemo yende nero boniga yachire bwangu sana egokina so bwagare ekoroko ensemo yoburai Linet abasubati rogombo rwa gusi sofa amabaga yoburai neri bagari musubati soburai ngakirire wikira boniga.
Asante sana. Ase rogongo rwito rwa gusinda tebena, we are still lacking behind in terms of leadership. Especially tuise kwenda siasa gusiba don tore maega. Ntora umwana omwisekeri bagari ryoko gamba. Kirenga kikero montago tenena. Okonyora abasubati babwate mechande menge sana. Omosubati nero okobori gusobonkai. Abori gungina ningo iseningo mugako eningo abana bae kaibare. Lakini umugaka ere natwara abakungu 100 tari kobori gunkaibare. Ere gago tenena naendo over supported. But as a woman there are so many challenges. Lakini rende what I like asiboniga twara bangina bago soka. And which is a good thing. Kugere kurunyamira gari omo women rep Jerusha. She wants to be a governor in 2027. That is a great milestone. No no go soka igagoteba na I want to be one. No any women rep yagusi donya. Nera na teba na te ko be governor. Bono igo we are having our women coming out and speaking. We also had abangina in the past who have led. We had somebody like Rachel Tundu. She's tried to go into politics. Na bete akarwane robo MP bwa Nyaribari tanyora naenda gatenena ko be governor bakamukora buna bamukorete bakamuri running. So gusinto bwate challenges but rende as we keep on going we will get to see the difference. The reason why twachagete kiombe kia gusi women in leadership no umosani ono kuruko Edna eyarenga singencho twarigeretina narichi kura chiabeire chiairire in 2022 abasibati barenga gusi yakere chikura tigana na women reps. That's affirmative action mbara biye montarure nyombe go chiro gwakire kura.
All right.
Abasibati baberubuka barenga MCA I think no yo mokwanza it's just one. It's just one. And but also in Kitutu Church South Cynthia, she performed well. It was her first time and I think she was number 6 or something. She tried, at least she gathered some votes. Nabu etabasacha. We are doing good. If we keep up on teaching people on the goodness of electing a woman, omateke romo kungwa kugamba ikenyoro yonsin gego benefit. Yes.
Umonta angaraga bakebanga onya nakondiri abasubati nabo bakora chinse nango seyinchiyo nobo bitina bitinobo kego tu no gwerende emokonke nkego yebikoro to de chianga. You know, even when Nakuru ekere yabate kujan kurari the governor is a musubati gocha biroge bingene go biroge tuna basubati they are no sa koma ne gore yechi bigi na begete bigi nera gachi akabeka but amagende raro so far we've not seen them complain so which means abasubati bagenda te kuimokiama bagaiga now ekere to kujan kwande gore economic empowerment babatikangina nasole. What are some of the challenges abantu bagenda te gwetera that we are still having the conversation of economic empowerment because there is no place you can work in this country and even outside the country, right or wrong?
Umanyete ase ekarongo kwanera ase nchira yomugusi bono omungina nabwate ensemo yaye yoburayi bwaye ayiriri bagari yaye n'omungina lyogo kunga ebintu byaye naende ebintu byarenge buya sana kubwabuna ebintu bire bono omungina as much as togoteba nga abasacha abagusi mono asaba omusacha omugusii nkorigiare koba patriarchal timaitingana kindakiro ekigusii yani nko ganiare koiro obugambi mono kubu omukungu bunekororekana lakini aso omugusii arenge omong'ina agarenge koegwa ebinto biaye naende omong'ina nabo arenge koraya enyomba yaye omogaka karari natwara abakungu 10 iga arenge oteng'a ari mwanyarebe obogima oboremo bwaye bumanyire ng'a ori no abakungu buna barenge korokong'o oyo no omong'ina omonene oyo no kamarieta naroye ekigusii arenge kero omong'ina akorokora omong'ina omonene korwa gocha na baba batano bono omogaka nkorwa arenge ribaga ase omong'ina oye omong'ina oria okora ebinto mwaye okong'a ari mwanyarebe oboremo bori mwanyarebe nabakworokereria abana baye igo omong'ina omogusii nkogamba arenge mwaye ng'aga ari mwanyarebe egento kiagamba isinoti buna ere bono iga yeah.
Alright. Wow, Lynette, what are some of the challenges out there? Usaso kuligile kwa wochkowe kwa tebanga this ebigana bikobe bitango by'omugusi kwegendereri kemagendero na asense muyoborai.
Asense muyoborai in terms of women or general?
Generally, tutaragirya baswali.
Okay. One thing with us abagusi ntwanti tukubwata nokobo.
All right. Yeah. One man having.
Oko chikorikere gochimoerega kwa royo mino nkogendererare riba goko mo support nayo kumuktora maguru. Kwagenda kwiguna kangana kwanyora riba gari. If I think we are just as a community highest percentage and what is even bringing us back niyo. But if we support each other and wish each other well, nabotoko genderabia. Ntoto itigo support muntu. And then again, when you are not in a leadership position, you tend to see every leader is not performing. Torikora rabia bode. Lakini gokobeku in that position, wakumina wa.
Na obi
arenge iga. Like I don't know if I can get my person. Like when you look at it during the last election when we were transitioning to the current county government, many people were hopeful, like the governor was riding, he's going to fight corruption, he's going to bring development, he's going to do everything, things that he claimed the previous regime didn't perform. But now we are 3 years down the line. I don't see, personally I don't see anything different that he's done. I worked as a vice chair at Kisii Municipal Board, and I saw the other day he was inspecting projects. That's good, but you see, those are not new projects. It's just renovations. We need something from him. So if and now we'll start throwing him stones again that he's also not doing anything. So no. Then another one comes. Now who performs worse?
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. Inono manyaritingire heritage council. Nakimwa beri mu kunyara gusira abami n'abasubati n'abana banyaruka animono aso kunyara kwene kibuna babiri bakunyara kwegenda ribe nebumanye benobo semye bikaro byo kunyara kubamanyi okubasira maybe kuba chiro chi training evento awa
tuabeire una mwanya gitinge tuabeire tugutwara chi training una bono ntu atwarite meeting enene sana yabangina chintingana igaria kamera twatwarire meeting ende ngotwara tore chi meeting iga Kisii igo tukurangiria abangina twabasemia ntubwata bagaka ntubwata abangina abamanyete iguru y'emete emete ya ukurwaria umanyete unabono iga egento gekurukunga kubwata fingia uno butene nkubonene sana igo bono una intumwaje tingana ngendete kugotenga autokwegerere kibusii yetu along the way ntu atigete abantu bakachekerero bagatiga mariogo aliakale mariogo ng'omwana urwarira omunwa ebine ebintu yani abangina bali bakale baringe gokonyega tukabitiga lakini bono abana nabo bagosokerwa ebintu metontere ya chalero iga kwanyora nga chikansa chaichuire muno ntaitonte John kuna gwakinete si naria by the way no mwana lakini nchente rebolo nenche miake yani kuna nakinete si togali bakanga ruoronga chabone tinkunyoro muchio yo mumuntaru walite na kansa tinkunyoro rwego muntaro walita murero bakayande tokuigwa makomo ni mete bono iga mwanya getinge ntubwata abantu barororo abasemia tuguca twatwara abantu nabaisaransigo basemigwe mete kwanyora bagaka mugaka ntubwata mugaka okurukorwa nyari bali samwe ntubwata mugaka gakare mangaruguru ugocho semia abantu igoro yemete eyarenge kurwari manya ngo mugusinko bararenga umuntu mbako mutwe umuntu baro bekerwa mariogo una inche my auntie makomo koyo mwabo mugako nega bali tu mutwa okororanga yani ngore nene regaiga lakini igacha gusirira obogotu so amariogo naro ebintu bunebyo ngoisaransi tora abana abanyaroka twabasemi goro yeke gusigeitu twaseme na kibagusime kachinge ni cheito chinderema ikibwate amadini amaya umuntu kuri ebintu biri abantu baringe kwanga kare umuntu atenga umuntu kuri kinyamanero umuteningo rero gende kere nyumba y'umuntu renga nenyari tenenderema goteba ndigiri resource ndigiri enderema those are the things ndete kukwana ngakurwa asensemo your health, how can I call it? Really, yani ubunyamasi bwaho nakinda burukeke
ubunyamasi bw'umubiri
ya bw'umubiri ne chindagera chingiya so utogosemia abangi nabaito bali bankari tali bonsi basomire bakire skuru gocha gotebi nga kitoko basira togusira abangira kubatenga rosie geticha kiao osimeke chinsaga chiao mungina kanyoriro omwana o aerwa osimeke enderema yao osimeke risosa ria enderema nkoretera amanyingo omubiri bono nabo togusira naigo na abana bake bagokina bono of course kubasemi turi gure yeke usigeto naende still twaba omoyo basome bache ko basambudi ase chinga kichirocha.
Okay, yeah. Wow, that is beautiful. Mwancho muligerio KCTV mini studio mwana nabatere rombwate chindingana iberege gase studio ni ndirega na Lineta amo na Zipora tugenda to kwandra igoro yamabaga ya baswati asobora ino kunyara abwe gerendere ya kimagenderero ogosira na no kunyara kwemukerera ni andoke John kwamboka asinsema ya studio ni gakoro kwa Shadra Kangwenyi kwene kitibi chambo na mali byaberega kunyara kubwikira senchira yo bwikira no kunyara gotwa kiresimi gocha sesimi studio 0768 719 470 usobe kunyara gutuma MSMS ndo kunyara kwa yasoma segekagitare gitamba se mitandao au live Facebook toka kuna KCTV to kwa Instagram TikTok kama X account kuna KCTV website negere www.kctv.co.ke Linet of recent days na vile kunyara gukora ko gwatebika au kunyara gwatendi network sorona bantu igabara raigo tema wanaendelea sikuwa mada mota akonda ngene kama ndagira kusaigo ninyora kanole tukibire mtato but I can see you are doing good as a field. So far, what is the progress in Gusii Women Leadership Network? What can you get in terms of political, social, economic? View as a
Thank you so much. Gusii Women in Leadership ekeombekega nekeombe twachagete over coffee actually. We were just two women having coffee, and then we saw some adverts that was on NTV. They were holding, I don't know what it was called, something purple event in November. Then we were like, we need to attend this event because it had the likes of the late Phoebe Asio, and we were like, we need to go and tap from these women. Then when we followed it up, Tokanyora, the event is the following day. We need to leave Kisii. Registration is 15,000. Then there's transport and all that. So we needed like 60,000 for the two of us to end to Rudi. We said, it's too late. But hata tukipata saa hii hatuwezi fikia. Then we thought, why can't we have our own in Kisii? So we looked at it, and then ilikuwa hiyo time ya elections. Tuchukorigereri Nakuru chora taba swati 8 out of the 11 is it 11 or 14 elected leaders in Nakuru County. We look at Kisii, we only have one MCA. Tokasoka. Tokatema wa mangana kiae.
Noma.
Tochikorigereria Rachel Tundo ka uretu running mate. Sazila amefika tu hivi, And then we looked at the way women are attacked. We said we'll start ours. So we started we started planning for that event in that December of 2022. The reception was not good. I remember some women were like, kwani mmekuwa wapi, you think nyinyi ndio mna own Kisii? Then my friend Edna is like, in these spaces, it's like an ocean. Everybody has a space. Huwezi maliza. And as women, we are not fighting any woman. We just want to embrace each other and support each other. So that event, ilikuwa costly hata kutafuta sponsors to do this and that. It never worked. We only, I think, Kisii Polytechnic, Wakenya Pamoja Sacco, and I think those two are the only people that supported us. So we organized that event. Ilibidi tuingie kwa mifuko, tufulize, tufanye kila kitu, because we said we have to do it. Whether it's me and Edna, we'll still have to do it. And then we came up with a theme, black. Black is classy and all that. Sasa, no, black si ya kuomboleza peke yake. It's also a fashion statement.
I have a black dinner dress on it. Invite me.
I will. So, wacha watu wakuje. Watu wakakuja. We were looking at 100 people, but we managed 50.
Wow.
And these 50, I think 30 ndio walikuwa wamelipa. The others hawakuwa wamelipa. Sasa along the way tukiendelea na hizo makazi, hizo nini ndio somebody stands up and said, unajua tuliambiwa hapa black, tunavaa black, tunakuja kuwa recruited to Illuminati. They were like, who says that? Kisii has not seen an event iko na black or what? But we said, at least you came, you've had. As an entity, ours was like, we want to start a chairman, like having a woman mwenye ako all-rounded in terms of family, leadership. Yani, uko equipped to your emotional intelligence iko uko. Your IQ iko uko. Yani, uko to a 360 woman. Because we don't have one, but we were looking at trying to create a woman who is all-rounded. So come that time, hiyo ikaisha. The next one, we did now International Women's Day in 2023, and the turnout was massive.
Wow.
Now this one was white. I think waliona sasa ni malaika wakakuja. Wakakuja wengi.
All white party.
Yeah, now it was all white. We said, okay, mmesema, okay. Actually, first we decided to do a nude. Then I remember some people texted my friend, Kamuza, you want us to come to the party naked? I'm like, no, it's not naked. There's a color called nude. So we changed, we said, okay.
White.
Tukaweka stroke, nude stroke, white. But this one, the attendance was massive. Everything was just perfect and they registered. Hata tukawa reduce here, we said, okay, we'll just do the deco and all that, wacha walipie chakula. So tukawambia, lipa tu 1,500. Ulipia tu hiyo chakula, tukaenda tukabageni, tukawambia sasa, the food watu wanaweza lipa na 50. You will give them what is on their budget. And they came. Then going forward, we also did another edition in December. Then come last year, we also repeated, we did a purple. We've done purple, we've done green, we've done white, we've done pink. Yeah. And as we grow now, even the leadership, the elected leadership, they joined us. The last event we had for International Women's Day this year, as Gusii Women in Leadership, was attended by almost all leaders in Gusii. The women rep came, we had Irene Mayaka coming. Yeah, we had the MCAs. So walikuja. So as we speak now, they have realized that for us, we were not just, kuna yule anasema, maybe these people are coming, they're coming for my position. No, we were not coming for anybody's position. We were just coming. We trained people on leadership and governance because we happen to have that experience in leadership. And my other colleague, Edna, she's a transformational leader. She has that, actually she's doing her PhD in leadership and governance. So when we look at these events, if you are, I think you've not attended any of our events.
Imagine, surely.
You should attend. If you come to those events, you realize it's not just the glamour.
Tell us.
We are looking at.
Naenda surprise status. The event is tonight, guys. Tonight, guys, mnangoja nitoe wapi agent?
Unapata, we equip you when you attend that meeting. Trust me, ukitoka nje una feel hata wewe ni leader. Uko I am a leader. Hata kwa nyumba yako kama ulikuwa umekasirika na familia yako, you just go home smiling. You realize the reason why this person is acting this way, it's because maybe mimi ndio si nilimuingilia na hasira zangu, or maybe I didn't give him time, or maybe he has his own issues that I'm not part of, I should not involve myself in. Yani unajipata tu umetoka hapo kama uko sawa. Yeah.
Wow, that is beautiful. Now, Tocha Sore, what role does culture and heritage play in shaping women, especially in empowerment and politics?
Ase mwanya gitinge, ase kegusirie itu, orai omanyete. Orai bwaringi gocha chinchirawa, naenda bantu baringi kwereswa chinchirawa. Egento rineti atarateba nakyo utarate joining ande member enene ya ugusi women in leadership. No onde member naende nkubwatira na tuli actually
na yeye tunamkaribisha.
Na yeye tunamkaribisha nkubwatira na tuli ntiringi. Nirane na mwanya gitinge na kitogo shape abantu. Na gotebi na mwanya gitinge ntubwate nsemo ya youth. Na ndi ntubwate abana youth ni maite ng'umwana mu youth na chachega iga atebe ngana kitu ababekire ase stream yo guchaka na barabo tokubaeresera tokubasemia ntu tubwate abagaka n'abanyina abanene kumbwa bagosemia abana egekoro gitu nakwa umanyete abagusi go bale bwate chinchira wao chiogosemia abantu buna ntebe nga etengo kera abantu bagachire barangira ni bache etengo ogosemi nkwari ngororo and now tuachire back there ngororo ndiria otari ko cheme mekutano yito
Ono ndeta ko ngaka magena mwesi ngatigiyo mega
yino bata fina na roli abantu abantu bobisia ino chabale as a function cheito actually they come most of the time ngo chale kuna huyu kijana mwingine ngo chabali ebintu buna arts ebintu byarenge korosi kubono buna ebintu artifacts yani nini bune chabwira ngoma ate substance chiria abantu ngosoma bale ngorno basemibu ntubono iga gotubwate ibikundi aho nabokonyora nk'umunya gitumbo ito oyore nere umunyagitumbe ne chairman ya Heritage Council kegusia akoro kumunyagitumbe George nko twarari chi meeting butambe kuna kuri kuruti tora abantu twabasemia intwe ndo taitenga nege korukirito turende heritage yetu omwando ito omuntu takweba ngaitu arwete omuntu teba marieta omuntu umanyete buna bono iga ekiombe nkerende for example omuntu igora akabekwa akamentwa ekiombe gakonsana kibwata abantu kenyingima bakamento omuntu agatebunga bono karibu etebe buno kurukwa aso mutandao agateba mura one karateba mura na inchenga mana gukwana korunsenga naki mbiya mono mura karibu ngikiagera na manyanga ne ngakwane kibusina mbiya mono ngikiagera tenga manyayo asinge njeri etali amura bono intwe gento to kwegerera ne kibusigie ito twatebya abantu mbeba omwando itori to beba amarieta ito narenge abana bana bakorokwa omwana orukwerieta rito rigenderere ekegusige ito kegerere chingencho cheito buna chiare noroche buna ebinto biasarikire by the way asengenje as much as abantu basomire kwamburi nga kyo leadership ya bono erena nenkoro onyendiria abantu babwatetie amangana akare abwatu na ya bono ange bintu birongete lakini tugaikaronge the way tukaranga karo kwasomire mono igugutiga yani like kigusikia ono guchafu omongi no koro kumama kare abasacha abonsi ipyoroche babegete chisuti gaiga including egabana yaito Simbarat nyalibo nyamira tigango tebinga omuntu oria ngina arenge korangire no nyembono igate nga mama agoteba gayo muisho yale yani akomenyoka abasacha abonsi orocha abana barero mbabwate amasikani asenge ncinjira tu abakiniri abana enchireni abamura bari bakala basacha bari chiobisi chinene Kenya gaiga kanimenso abange igo babwata masikani asima masi oborai na bwo gumu ngina arenge kora kunyumba otebi omwana amanyete nga ike neke omo muronde gante binakare ekero omwana arenge guchikwaruka enchera nere nonyo kwango tebi nga bono genda otebi baba osengo cha kwarukuru mu murusaransi guchali omumurare ngo tebi nga kero kwa chire iburu turi kogenda mwanyo kobona enimo tugo cha koswali sinyoka kurara guchine igaria you know abantu bande bagwete bosaigo ono lero ko nyari sacha linyo metede na mukaye kwanza agoso abakasema mumu abakurara okwate buna ki ekero bono kwarukire kwabero mumure ekero goso anyumba okubuyo murori ko rusikuna kwabuyo murori ko goso anyumba mino what did that mean ngana boko nyara abantu balenjere ndega nonye no yorenge ubo umusacho ugo cha bono bero umusacho na mungina kwesha stariri liko njere kwebeke kwekorera ni bono you see in tubono we are teaching aba chi committee chinke tokogenda we are trying gosemia abana baito as much as bago some school abana tiga bagende school basome gekora nako ogwekonya chindemero chite yi arenge migondo yeito omuntu agatigire omwana oya karugwate na gwatiro nabu arengo bunda bwito bono mari mutaire enimo omwana tigagende school but as much as omwana achire school na ende tigo omwana amanya naki discipline amasikani ali amanya mangana ito yo musibu na arenge omwana omumurabu na kwaruka osemi gwangana kiabwenete kwebwata from ya guchigari discipline ebyo ebororo teba una abana babeire bono iga umwana umumura amanyanga nero umusacha nero usacha tari abana bono bakinirwa bako umwana agokore university nonye negasi yaburire umwana ari akwanya umwana bono bwesi bwonjo ile njira chinde go gare na mungino ndega bwoko okumurageria mwana techogete tamaitinga na ki discipline yaringi nyabana ndiri basemeri gwe kibusio mwana maitinga na wesika. Well, that is what we are doing. Yeah, like it.
Wow. Yeah. Now, Lynette, we can all agree that women have not been given positions like it is really supposed to be, especially as sort of Ngurwagusi. What are some of these policies that you wish, if they were implemented, they could give an equality and equity to both genders?
First of all, if we could implement what the Constitution says, that a third gender rule, we could have them in affirmative positions. And if we could embrace women leadership, at Upper County, there's a woman, CEC in urban planning, Madam Grace. She's doing well in urban planning. And if you look at how our department is performing, compared na hizo zingine, she's really trying. So if we can give women an opportunity, we'll see the results. Again, 2027 is not far. I will ask these the big political
political parties.
Yeah, the big political parties. If they can give unajua wakisupport tuseme kama wanaona Kisii mwanamke Kisii ni ODM ama Kisii ni UDA ndio imejaa and then they decide to give a woman that ticket. Wasema huyu hii region ni Yauda, ni mwanamke, tupe mwanamke. And they support him. They give all the machineries. No. No, the good thing wanatoa mama wanarudisha mama. So I want to say this, listen first. I'm not defending any party over here, okay?
Sure.
I'm just giving an example. If they see that they're waving kisses for ODM or it's UDA, and they decide to give a woman the gubernatorial ticket, trust me, and they support that woman, she'll get it. Na akishapata tutaona maendeleo. Look at Homa Bay. You know, it pains me, like I worked in Homa Bay when I was working with Coke. Ilikuwa very nyuma sana. But currently, Kiss is following Homa Bay. I mean, how? Imagine. It doesn't make sense to me. For somebody who's lived there and lived here, it does not make sense to me. So I think we just look at, those are some of the few women who are performing. There are also women who are not performing. So when we are giving these tickets again, we look at women who are not interested to not to just lead, but women who have a passion in leading. A woman, unasema? Yeah, they want the name, prestige. They have nothing. That's why you are asking, you're coming here, you're saying Gloria alinyanganywa ticket. Was she working or she was... Okay, I don't want to discuss that. So, there are ladies who are working. Anapewa tu kazi hivi unaona, vitu zinaendelea. We have our Kisii women in leading various parastatals. At a Lake Basin, Ukusin, it's our girl, Jacqueline. And she's doing good. Look at Easy Mashule, even our principals. They're doing perfectly well. So a woman who has passion to lead, who's not just interested to be called Lynette the governor, but who wants to be a governor because it's coming from within, they will perform. So if our political parties support the women, they give them those tickets and they support them with resources. Because unajua mimi siwezi enda kuuza shamba. Lakini bwanangu akiamua atauza, si ndio? Yeah. Sasa that's where we are under privileged. Yeah. So we need the support, and if you see your fellow woman is running for a position, it doesn't matter uko UDA, uko ODM, uko one term, uko two term, bora ni mwanamke, support a woman.
Omusarwele sote abo semyo bya kabisa nonde ngubwati korona Guru City Salams Club ne muro chika member Joseph akote korunya bikomi Nyamira County nonde Tundin Brian Guru ya wote morning Joanna Tundin kurmoche with Jamie Linda bebe akote banga greetings Joanne, thank you, good morning. Teresa Kimunto akote good morning Joanne Tundin we are chinsemo shiria cha Karatina Bonventure mubisa akote banga aka Boniface mubisa kurukiro musocho nonde memoro biro ikomero Bernard Kabeta akote obeyembo Nyaburumbasi nwara somoro biro Fred Nyamirimba akote bakuriganye kamera Macme present aya Ogola Kibra akote banga Kibra tukundani MC2B Ogola wa Kibra mtetezi wa wanyonge Sarangombe Woda Douglas Ongawa akote bakuruma chako swe kama Simba Gali Seito wa Kiribya somonene karibu sana somoro biro ni machabe akote bakurukisi Mwembe nonde kubate moro biro kwa kile vile tunamshukuru Mungu. Lena Nyatuka korwa Saudi Arabia nwale miyomoro bila kutepa mpako mwelio. Honorable Victor Mondo Miyenda por Kilimani Nairobi anasema tuko pamoja hadi tamati. Marabikira sumulo bila mnanchele timba soma bonse Elizabeth Moige korunya lisai gari bombe takote banwali mobekire mwako ya Julius Turoli obekire maomu abo kutoka Kiendegere abana ba mwabo Ruth James Stella Olfa Dina Moi Mora Evans bonse wakaswa sumulo Rogers Nyariki koru Amsterdam Netherlands nwara kubati umuro video. Of course obekire awasomorobere mochokoro bwiribiria baba akothebanga good morning and happy Monday edition fungua kazi ya wiki Isaac Nyandeko nwonga ko Qatar Doha no are nere akugwatia omoroberio emambi ya lero Christopher Chandi korburangi gari Kenyambi akotheba no ari meyo omoroberio jare dore maturu eti korunya chichi secondary school Nyamira Omare James korwa akothebanga korma River City tupotio ndiro mosorbe susu of course nimekuona gai chintu betigane chinyenge tingo soma mbigi konyara buchikora ebirondo chibya myokere kigima now how do you balance leadership and the culture part metaboni kama ngana na ikaga change jenzi abateba tunaenda hivi na Gen Alpha bato ina direction yabo but inu mole ndoko babeka millennium in fact ni tunaweka generation X how do you manage to handle the same
tuanyarire ebintu mbirororo bita one for example bizako kwanga bono ugusara abana abanyaruka turuchibona bone bono iga wateba ngaki kunyarikana nakito kunyara turuchibona buna ekegusi padongo semitura abana abaisike buna abagusi una owana abaisike ngo babeka turamo twabasara kebongo kero bayikire kinga kikiri umwana arengo cyo gusarwa ngo semitura abana aba mwana ki eko ari umwana umwisike kera arenge gusaru kinga kikiri twa ngobera nyumba na baba ogoteya yebono kwa ngotere tuarenge guchinyumba lakini bono iga abana aba bago bakobekwamo kwarorire I think kwarorire abana aba bago bakobekwa somewhere basemigwa you see baitera that stage igo turuchi twanyarire egekogera we are not steering intuna mwanya gitinge ngane kali chatore na ngabana babado ngagusengo tokurwanira ngabasaru because twasemirwa twarorire ngambu yaki nkigekogera abana aba batasarwe so turuchi ngo bone stage you tunachumurishana naende ngosomi tore abangi na baito twabatebya about leadership una werorera korukaro mungi no mugusiga aringe omurai na bana bakara bagwisaransi ntubwata abantu bari chimenta abanene abukurigereria pon una mwanya gitinge buna toko basomi iguro yeke gusi asiwera sinko babeka toro mukia bagende skuru basome bachako babona John kwa teitore bana mo some skuru muchako babone gabanire matega gabanire nakuru genda musome muchako babuna umusubati umugusiyo seito gaiga ore registrar ya judiciary you see bono ngo tunawafunza kikisi egendo tutaeti tuwe asitwarwite kurwa that is what we are doing naende tigango te John it's so good kosoma onyoro aba omuntu someti abana bayike gusiba naende bagosoma babwato koiroka kuri ebintu biria bayibuli bayito chisokoro chito mbaringe bariri digereria bune nyomo bono nko igukwanya na gisaku getenki aringe konyomera na bono buna nje nkoru kitutu cha South nchende bugusero naende bugekanero mugusero taringe konyoma mugusero nyumbe chincha kwaringe konyoma bulona mukuru kuna abayiri muntu kwanda bugeka kwa nyoma kwanda kuja asande kwa nyomororo lakini bono lero abana bakunyoma na in fact chikasini banyora abana ainoro chibuna abantu bari chitumba twisiko you seeing that
is enough
sindani moisonde yaje tubana abana bari chitumba twisiko gaiga chinyomo cyabere chitumba to egakobera abana bakuiburu yani you don't know what is going on really nande abaibuli ekegori gete we lost it really nyomoteyo kare ekero twakinete kare yane nche nonye no nche na kinete seito I can say for sure eskimu na kinete tegari matutu twa na rege ko bare mechipa ko bare bakakuruse itega karege tunu ngoro bare bakera misa se pare kare nyaronde you could not get ekunge soma and kwani ingi kya chinchiri chindagera chabere chimbe chasambiria abana manyinga yani things are happening bono tokuna kurwanira ngora tutware bono shida yo katogotwara ne abantu baitu buna babeire okura wante meeting yari nyana bagaka bakwarangeria ntubwate muntu ogotwa chibesa tuchikokorere you not asked me about the challenges, but I can say that.
We'll talk about them.
Yeah. Ono ebi ntobune ebyo we onyendiriri bagali arengeri nene sana. Nonye ne chisukuru mwanya getinge bwatari bagali nene lyogotebya abana aba bakine egekogera to bachake iga bakine gocha otoratwara obunchuriri nonye nensengima egekogera abantu bane ngokora bali.
You know, illustrator, nali kuwa na wila somo la ndugwenyone, chinseme ticha, uze Masimba, nali bali Masaba, we are one of our reporters ali. Nga umumurana ro, nga ba umanite na maumu wabo, kere bo mananga swa nyombage sungane tai.
Wow.
And manyako evoli mtukare, kwa nute umuntu ndengwe sungora ukurutera ngo likisiko kwa mnya kugaga. Kwa yuga ko dai motere, tauli ya mache ke kombe ke muruliko, motere utangani. Ojire. Ama kena lero karangane mubikatana. Ukwera nyumba ngo. Bisarase chikoni ali. Oligeria bachari ka
not only that. Insanchi arengo okwera nagotenga abasacha aba nene bono baliga. Abantu maybe ekegorikia n'abantu babiri 50 years. Kwera na nyokonku arengo.
Chita mama kwere kubekora memese ntuitu.
Ogo iterwa makosa yo yonde abana bakase ndo nyama muchete sabali batoka gosene mori yale ngase yale nge yagonga ngaikwarenge kero umwana age robeko amacho bosime gali kaikwarenge yani okorete kiranyaye buyeka
yume
kaikwarenge yani and it was responsibility oro chabana baba naende twasigeta abana ba minta banene. I'm telling you ekero mugako na nyumete igabusero is a firstborn so yani barenge kumurigereri buna ise yani akorukorwaria kero muntu oba inoda yani nga hoigocha like mamu mwabono are naende bamu there was that amaskani area ebintu mugusi significance cyarenge ebintu nga ko wono buna nje asenge nchondo mugusi ikombwate tyo bonto gosini mbona kwegeria abacho koro bane gakwara abana bane na inche na tumete ebintu gakwara konyatinda so murogerio gwanyanya mwanya gitingi wono buna marago bana ari gukoro kibichara ni nkwaroti iko na akorete egintu nga gyo gotongorobori nagesa nasime kobori nagesete nkoreto mumuro no monene gaigana ki omugakuri bono nabotogoteru onyo omugakuri gosekonyora soke uchendagera yaire omugaka bwenka bweneta abatongorero obori uso mumuro yo monene bwenkeyo totongorobori yani it's something which keeps the family together. Abana bainyoranga what was the significance aba gusibara agote ebintu mbiroro lebisini tokini abana chinchira gete. I really wanting atwarenge konyora libaga ase gusiye ito togende everywhere tosemi abana obonjore libura abesana ase enchira nonye na abana bayiru chindagira chimbe omwana omusinini bwemetie nyene omuntu ogorire yo batia koyo yeri omwana guchimuntu negechiko. And then magosa tayo, but you will see omwana oyo in a few years na abwate challenges, some diseases which are unexplainable. Okoigwa marieto utana koigwa omwana oyo gabwate gusenge ntuki nkiarengo ngwa kigwete karaba sokoro yawe bakinde ngwa kigwete oro
si ilikuwa na jina ya Kikisi.
Ilikuwa gani?
Na jina ya Kikisi.
Something like that.
Na miti anapewa kunywa.
Omwana kanure meteye iga ikire miaka 5 omwana ka yoye irwe binde biga emeteye ke gusiya arenge gento gyogokuni pake ngombe konyore mori omogoyo gwanga koru abagusiye babwate gento ngombe gwako omogongo iga omogoyo ruchitagika ibere omwana nga nyebisara byamerire o Nairobi ore igogwira omwana oyachiko gikianigo angonka gari omongina ari getia kandire mabekeri ikari ira te head their own things iga omwana okirekwa ebintu ebi byagenda tokora bisara ebi and they were so powerful amario gaito
Do you know I saw a certain post that has been trending the last 2 weeks that the advantages in ng'ombe kulia mogoye. It boost maziwa, it has potassium, it has nini, you know, na tu akilile tumaete, ai ng'ombe ikule ama hiyo boma by the way. Wote tamu.
Naendo
squeeze zinakula.
Naende bono mo don't you side the thing.
The same thing people eat the
biko na guchenchiwa. Ebintu biko na
But
guchenchiwa.
don't you know musipati bakuli their own placenta?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, musipati yako
In the Western world.
Magombe kumogoyoye oendo kamuki oho siaga na kunywa na chai anapika kwa mboga anakula vizuri.
Lakini usini uchawi tu.
Dada bwana. Polibone ngende ebintu mbirororo bitarenga somo gusi naende bitakoreke. Ya, ebintu mbirororo manyito otakore muno mugusi. Lakini bona asengencha abana bakiniri gugoma masomberera. I'm telling you in the so happy asabaga kabandi sikugaiga bamenyete michinde ago iki umwana oye chinga kichiolire yotengati go umwana oye agendenka abera aso asebaba amanye mangana giti tigo umwana oye agendenka agaria asemigwe asengencho they have seen enchire y'abana bakiniri gumasomberera iga the repercussions they are chinyingi sana kubwobuya repercussions chinyingi sana enchira yo lifestyle enchira ya marwaira asomobere enchira totabuga ati as much as yo mwana yani onye tobuga ati family. Let me tell you obotene nkubwaito e family yawo ngo mwana omumura igari 40 years igari Nairobi asengenjo yani ngamuhanging out with a girlfriend rero mambi nare ngangie ke bono mwateba rero mama baby daddy mukoroka gusena
Baby mama
baby mama mwana akaya ngo mwana omumura agabwata abana batano isukari musibajyo no mukamba nakabwata ali nako. Do you have a family?
Let me tell you, the family set up right now. Umwana ori graduate PP1, ugochi grade 1, PP2 ugochi grade 1. Unafika pale mama na baba abaibuli abana.
Kila mtu ako na mtu wake.
Lakini omonginoyo musibati ongino mwana onabwata mwako mungao no mwako enero chino no monginoye.
Ono chwani to
Nabali bachire no
mwana tenenera abuga don't go far. What is that now? Umwana oyo gukino ro chemvali ukia ukina na chirocho.
But now you see, it's the grandmothers that encourage that in some of the settings. They don't stand with their daughters-in-law. Yeah, reteretu. Kwandete iroyega na abana. You stick there. But now you see the mother-in-law abasacha na babarego. So now it's your age mates that have spoiled it for everything.
Togo teba na ki ekero togo semania abangi nangu isaransa tule twarorire you know. We invited you to our meetings.
Yeah.
Abangina na barabunko bateritore sikogalinga naki sika mukamumuro mukamumura abakera toko bana barabu sika nyoko byara omanye to mwana oyo onyendiria abwa to kuige kukuya korunse gaiga akamanya nganko endando muchyoyo bande no mongino oyo nyendiria maito ngo mwana oyo chaga iga no mwana one. By the way, when I change to correct and the corner one. Oh, you akwenda gukorere mekono ya Yesu ko gali my daughter-in-laws wherever they are listening. They are my best friends. Ngito koreta ubuchinga bone no manyete ngo kuminyokia. No ayegwacha gekorera umumuro yone nabwa to mukunguga. Naende tinkweni kali chi umumuro yone achikuliki naende umusubati. Timba ise ko yubono lirori nje tinkwanja. Ege kogera bono economically ebitoko na gotenga nkubwata na to economically chinga kichakorereki chiakongire. This is not the time iri okwe ni kali chinga omwana nyome una karenga rinde bono ebi bikwamburi nga kitogo soana na bintu byabona economically inse yakongire to gocha gwanchira mwana nga naendelea to mukungu onde naendelea to mukungu onde lakini nkonyorore ngabangina bande bali sikogali umungina nabakora ngo mumuroye nabwato musubati gali ose banyorire nero umwana isikogalia oretaga iyo gusikia UN kali cyo umwana nende turi gokonya mwana by the way umwana oyenga ke bakoretwo burangetie suri those things babwate ng'aga igo mugakoya bwata abang'ina babiri so ninche nabugoretio abang'ina bari bakare lakini oyo rero gwapi igo komenya gari bono ebinto mbirororo onyendirie omwana oyo asemire igo nabagotwara amasikani asimina biara 100% lakini abana mbasomire omwana nonye naye ayo omong'ina burundu ko omoise ko gosoma omuro omosacha oyo ebo omana nera matena omoisi oria omwana oyo nona gwako oimanya n'omwana okonyomerete I've had a case umumuraga wote burundu karama itinga ebono otenga mam mumurundi nantebetio cannot mention names mam mong'ina ori gakundama manya ng'ina bia omoisi oyo namanyete ng'a nasomi omwana one one ole lolo chena kyo mwana akyo mukungu agocha gusika omusaki so those are the things we are teaching we are togosemia abana baito as much as naintu abang'ina to na inche I'm in the process yo gusoma n'abang'ina bandi abanene tubwata se kiumbe bagotosomia.
Alright, ngachire singenche biro bya bebe konyara komenyoka kegima sinaro ngari kobori kungayore kwa nyorirwe biro korende aso kunyara gukorera ile sasa tukirudi kwa reality kwa ground whatever that is happening right now in terms of women leadership and economic empowerment. Where do you see where do you see women leadership and empowerment in the next 10 years? Shakena Lynette alafu tukore na mama.
I see if we continue with the civic education, educating our communities about leadership and governance, we are going far, because I'll speak like so far Gusii Women in Leadership has founding members, apart from the two that started it. We have women from very different categories. Represent Mwanyagetinge. We have a woman like we have Vane Nyabengi. She's a microbiologist and a lecturer at Kisii University. We have Perry Songori, who is also a lecturer at Kisii National Polytechnic. We have women like Honorable Dolphin Gwari. We have Stella Nyaboke. Women just variously. We have kutoka daraja mbili tuko na Mama Isabella. We have so many women from various positions who've come in as GWIL, and every time we keep on telling them that when you find audience of even 5 people, make sure you tell these people to look at a woman as a leader, not just a flower girl. Najua saa zingine tunaachiwa positions za kuwa nominated. We don't want to be nominated, we want to be elected. So that when we walk with our crown, unatembea ukiwa comfortable. I worked for this position and I got it. I was not just given as an AOB like it was an affirmative action. Yeah. And we were giving conclusion remarks. Yes. Okay. So, and another thing I'll just finish, I'll say that as Gusii Women, all we've done is something I had written down. Allow me to look for it. I don't know where it just gone.
Sure, no problem. Meanwhile, Baba, where do you see us in the next 10 years?
Nche gulumuna ukura abana bandi Mwanyagetinge indoje in the next 10 years naboko nyora twakire step enene sana asenge ncho ekara to wisaransia abangina to abasemia manyanga abangina mbabwa to burai nandi ndochenga abangina ngo wenda kuna bono iga we are encouraging no ani chipa election isichaba gotu arenge goteba Mwanyagetinge nga tiganga omungina atene kirasi tiganga omungina atene asoburai asekero omungina ale tigaye manyenga no murai omungina omanyete no murai litanga ni kuri nyumba mwawo omungina utarahetie nyumba yao igokonyora ebintu biserekana tari omungina uri no muchafu. You have to be a leader first.
All right.
From your house. So in the next 10 years, I know guna Gusii because narorera abasacha bago to support as women. They are supporting us now, something which used not to happen before. Yeah, ugo nabonko ranga tunatoko genda gochi motuga iga in 10 years to come. Yeah, they embrace the women leadership. Iko nabora nyore tuakire nende bangina kuba kuna kusemibwa umanyete twatanga tokuna gusirana abangina mbaro bondo getenga ndachi gutina linde baba ndamu ndachi gutina linde babuna bagotenga babuna abantu batesigeti abo bakwenda uchimutuga bona bangina bamanyire nga you can stand. So in 10 years time I know in Kisii will be somewhere as women leaders. As women leaders. Yeah,
Thank you. I will also say that what I will conclude is true leadership isn't about titles. It's about character, courage, and compassion. A well-rounded woman leader leads with integrity, emotional wisdom, and the grace to uplift others as she rises. At Gwiln, we are raising women who are visible, vocal, virtuous. Together, we are redefining leadership across the Kisii region and beyond. As I conclude, ask yourself, what legacy are you building? Are you leading with values or just holding a position? Also, let's be kind to our leaders. Daughters can proudly follow. Thank you.
Wow, that is nice. Thank you so much. Aso kunyarwo chase studio na abakira ko bato kunyarwo sangana ino mimetebyo mbiyaba biko nyarwo to. But our 1 hour is down because it is 8:43 in the morning.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Aso kunyarwo cha bato going to reschedule this meeting again and again. Egere to gendra puru manye no gosemia uche sumo gosi. Ekira egwetera asendura liba kunyara konyora chuju pechiga na kunyara kwimanya sipali batarikira nasebika. Never tunanya we Ricardo ino mwasemi lima free.
Yabarika yo mwancho motebera ninaki abuseno ko kaibwete nga mwanya gitinge mbali iga somewhere ega ko gara tugutaka twaira ujumbe nturi ko barangeri nga inchwe town batumie fair ononye goso otoko gendororo na bono ntware ngibugira ngo mate gari ntwaru machoge gari sama we go there ayetara go chororo uyiguna boko nyoranga naki kwanyoriro bosemia eginto konyota maitina kuko gusirana kibirengerere ya ogusirana kibirengererio ogusirana ke is very very important.
All right, thank you so much director China so kwa nikimno muligere yo bere konyara chibi chamu na mali ya senchira yo wekirano ankyo nkande tigamba weka sama ko Mungu twari kuriya twari bikimbia. Bye bye.
Embachero gose omogeno gose egetendawire